What's up? Streaming live. Streaming up. Hang on, y'all. I forgot to put my headphones on. Headphones. Alright, so last stream, crazy shit happened. 3 lines of code. Bam. It's like working somehow. I don't even know how that works. I guess Unity, when it comes to the rotational vector, it's automatically normalized, I guess, or not normalized, but like I don't know. You know what I think it is because when the camera moves, it stays that number. So the number's changed, and the mouse controls that number, except when we look down for some reason, and that kind of messes it up. If I clamp it, that might be a problem. I'm gonna go ahead and hit play. So I want to curious what happens if I move. I think that will mess it up. That's amazing how smooth. Like this feels buttery smooth. This feels amazing. I do notice a slight problem here is it hits kind of like a wall here. It's pretty interesting. I don't know what that's all about. It looks like cool, it still works even if I move, so we don't have to worry about that. So there's two problems. There's an extra problem. I thought it was just the spinning, which when we look down, you can fix that. I think that's just an optical illusion. I don't think the camera is spinning. I think it's just the character is spinning. Oh god, it looks awful. The movement's definitely jankier. I don't know how that happened. Well, one fix for this is, well, not really a fix, but make it look better. I'm going to have the look at target be a marker. That way we don't see it anymore. We only really need to see it in the inspector unless we're worried we think the code is correct. Then we can turn it back on and see if it's actually moving or not. Because if you unrender it, you're not going to know if it's moving. So sometimes having a physical object there will literally let you know if it's working. If the literal object isn't moving, it's clearly something broken. But if you de-render it, like what I'm doing over here, my basic render handler, it hides some of the game objects that are not part of the scene or like the aesthetic or whatever. Whatever, I can't think of the right word. Okay, so let me see if I can sort out the movement because it's just kind of it's like a placeholder thing. I didn't really. I had a better movement, but I was just using a placeholder at the time. I'm curious if this would work. Probably not. But I'm gonna try it. This is gonna cause so many problems with that. I'm scared. I'm so scared right now. Holy shit! It's like Dragon Ball Z. That looks insane. I can't tell if I'm moving or not. I just keep going. What the hell is doing that? This is wild. This is the trippiest shit. I did update it, so everything's updated, so there might be something happening that I don't know about. It's just uncontrollably fast. Yeah, it's fine, whatever. Don't care. Inspector Gadget. Let's just put this on 0.1. Or 25. I forgot I put a limit on that. That's kind of cool. I like stuff like that. Go back to game view. Alright, so this feels inverted for some reason. Down is up, obviously. Yeah, it's totally inverted. Whoa, that is wild. This is the original movement code. It's wild. What if I turn off? What is test axis? I don't even know what that is. Oh, shit. Well, that might explain a lot. That was on the whole time? Yeah, make sure you check all your... I have too many test scripts. That's my problem. I got like 5 of them. You're not... Like, if you're testing stuff, you should get rid of any scripts you're not using and just reattach them later. I would have been confused if I didn't look at that. I think this is what's screwing me up. Maybe. No, not really. This doesn't even do anything. I'm going to disable it anyways, because it might be doing something I don't know. Just because the code doesn't look like it's doing anything doesn't mean it isn't doing anything. Turn that off. Turn that off. Turn that off. Because I know... Ah, shit. I thought I turned it on. I know Test Combiner works. The last time I used it, it worked. I'm thinking my new camera setup is messed it up. Oh, wow. Well, that's weird. I'm not getting anything from that. Let me turn that off. Turn this. This was at 1. Hang on. I forgot to reset this. Nothing. Well, that's concerning. Test movement. Maybe I broke it and I forgot I broke it. I think I would prefer that, to be honest. Accidentally break it myself. I would actually prefer that more, to be honest. Oh. That's wild. Let's just try this real quick. Yeah. Nothing. Huh. That's crazy. How the hell did I accidentally make movement? So my camera, just the camera control, apparently causes the other 2 scripts to work magically when they're not supposed to. That is the weirdest glitch I've ever seen. Is it this one? Where's the preview? I thought the preview's supposed to be down here. Ow! Oh no, I have to click it. That's right. Test script. What is this? Oh yeah, that's it. Yep. So if I turn this on, is this gonna cause it to move? Because if it does, I'm gonna be 100% confused. So many levels. Because this is not a movement script. There's nothing in this that moves anything that I know of. Because it only rotates on the Y. Oh man, I'm scared. I hope this doesn't move, because then that means I have to redo something. I assumed I fixed this problem already. Please don't move. Oh, thank God. Alright, it doesn't move. Good. So this script is not adding any inputs besides, like, coincidence. I still have to fix that, though. And I want it to spin all the way around. I don't know how to fix that. I think that's the camera. Yeah, the camera's doing that. That should be an easy fix. It's not wrapping. It needs to wrap the top, mid, and bottom. They need to wrap so you can go around circles. This looks like, oh my God, that looks fucking awesome on the scene view. It looks like he's fucking um, break dancing. I can't tell if it's going in circles or if it's stopping, and it looks like it's just going in a perfect circle. Um, how the hell do I fix that? I think it might be simple and it's just the camera. I don't think it's the code necessarily. I think it's this stuff. Um, because see how it adds red over here and then red over here, red over here and then red over here, red over here and then red over here. Oh, no, I'm an idiot. I need to wrap it. I think that's the problem. I think literally, I thought you control it over here, but I remembered about the wrap function. I don't think that's gonna fix it, but that'd be amazing if it did. It fixed one of the problems, not both. I don't think. So, um, go ahead and put this here. I'm just gonna have a mirror of everything. Add inspector. Uh, add. I would like an extra lighting window, please. Why can I not add tab? What's your fucking deal? Fine, let's do it manually. Jeez. I'm so freaking tired and hungry and tired. I'm gonna go to work tomorrow. There it is. Shit. Am I not allowed to have two of these or something? Fucking assholes. I'm just gonna put it over here. Just have like a little dedicated area. I mainly just need these three. Because sometimes I need to be able to see the scene and the game. But you can't really switch the game view because it messes it up. So it's just nice to be able to switch it if I need to. see if this works. I'm scared. I'm so scared. Please work. Oh my god! It worked! So that's one problem. Now, no. Alright, yeah. That's definitely code, I think. Or it could be the camp. Probably not. Because a circle and a sphere are technically infinite. Like hence the pi formula. Like there's no edge. There's no stop points. The circle goes in on itself. Like if you take a line and you start anywhere on that circle, like a maze, and you draw a line through that circle, it'll go on for and ever and ever and ever. You'll never hit a wall. You'll never hit a dead spot. You'll just keep going around in a circle. Hence why pi has a repeating number. There's no edges. Or angles. Well, I mean, technically there's an angle, but it's like in radians. No sharpens. So I'm thinking when you look down and you reach a certain point where any direction would register a value in many different directions. See, that doesn't make sense because that would apply anywhere on a sphere. Man. I don't know. Why is this so janky? Stop. Thank you. So bottom rig, top rig. It's in the center. That's in the center. That's not centered because I can see the yellow dot. That might be the problem. I'm gonna try it. So we have this. Shit. God damn it! Ah, how do I change? The gizmo. Damn. Like in Blender, you can like change the orientation from what you're turning. All right, I'm gonna have to look that up because that's like literally mandatory. Yes, I want to order Domino's, not sponsored. Blender, change, gizmo orientation. Oh, god damn it. Why did I say Blender? Move local position. Gizmo. Want local. Unity gizmo settings. Ooh, okay. It's like a little planet. Captain Planet? Why does the scroll wheel not work? It's so fucking stupid. God damn. I swear to God, man. Look at that. It's so fucking dumb. So it has to be... Alright, there's nothing else hidden, so it has to be at least that big. I can't even get it. I can't even access it over here. I'm gonna have to change my setup here. This is pissing me off. Um, Let me think. Oh my god. Trying to. Yes. Stop it! There we go. And then take the console. This here animation. Yes! Here we go. Alright. Making progress. And then take this. Yes. Yes. Ah, yes. Much better. Now I have access to everything. Um, I prefer the console down here, personally. Can I have two consoles? Because it looks like I'm not allowed to duplicate some of these things. It's kind of lame. Animation editor. I guess I could put this over here. Yeah, that should be fine. I can always just kind of. And yeah, I did have an animation. It was like, I had everything working. The jump, the crouch, the attack. I was ready to go. Problem was, there's this fucking glitch I just could not solve, where the camera would jitter, and it was just the grossest jitter like ever. Like it was kind of like the Grand Theft Auto 5 movement, like and like how annoying it is, like when you're trying to do precision movement while like walking or running, and then like the character kind of just flies off into a direction, or they fall down. It's like that level of annoying. But it wasn't the movement, it was the camera. It would just kind of like jiggle jiggle like an earthquake. It was kind of subtle, but like it would start to do it a lot, and I just don't know where it was coming from. So I just decided to try a new tutorial. That didn't work. I kept trying different tutorials, none of them worked. So I'm trying to take everything I learned from each tutorial and like combine it, because I know a lot more now. Cool. Yes. Who's this? Uh, oh my God. No, that's not what I wanted. Jesus. Stop. I have more options here, but that's not damn. I'm just gonna have to just like wing this because I don't know what else to do here. I have to move this. And then basically under the red ball, pretty much. That's so weird. I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm just theorizing. Where does the camera start? It seems like a horrible idea in hindsight. But maybe not. Hmm. You know what? I have a better idea. I'm going to take the inspector. Just give it its own, like the whole side. Just give me it. Give me it. Yes. Because now I have one dedicated for the side there. I put game view here. I think I like game view on the top more, but that's fine, whatever. Eh, don't need this. How do I get rid of this? Ugh. Also there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I think I fucked up. Well, hang on. Not necessarily. It is moving. I'll try it. I think I screwed it up, but we'll see. I'm scared. Every time I hit this button, I'm scared. Yeah, well, that works. Oh, it's slower. So that's pretty cool. It's pretty interesting. It's definitely a lot slower. What? I'm streaming. What do you want? Hang on, y'all. What? She's not staying here for very long. Then we'll go out on a route. Okay. We're going on okay. Well, yeah. Yeah. Hey, take you with me because I'm afraid to her. Oh, yeah. Stop. Stay here. Good. Oh, it's okay. Jeez. All right, where was I? Interruptions. So that works great, but down is up, up is down. It feels inverted, but my brain is not sure. Yeah, when I look up, it doesn't go all the way up. Yeah, that's the I know what it is. It's the camera. It's my script as well. Probably mostly my script. But I noticed when you look up, that doesn't happen. But that's also because you're not allowed to look all the way up either. Because that would have the same problem. I don't know why looking forward um, doesn't cause that problem. Because this camera clearly has like a sphere shape, at least according to these rings. So I don't know why looking straight down or looking straight up causes all those problems when technically looking in any direction in a sphere is the same. Just like any point on a circle is pretty much the same. Unless you're comparing relative distances to another object that's near the circle. So I can fix this by going to the top rig and just changing it a little bit. Because I'm lazy. So the dead zone, um, that's fine. That's fine. 0.8. I don't want to change it too much, just enough to prevent it from spinning around like an idiot. 0.8. 0. Screen X, screen Y. Yeah, that's it. Would that fix it? I don't see why that would fix it. You see the orb moving, which is pretty cool. But that's because it's parented. Um, hmm. I see what the problem is. 5, 7. I think I can leave that the same. The reason why it's so sharp like this and not as um, free as these other ones have a bit more room to work with. I noticed in the when I was playing the Souls games and a lot of third-person games, looking at small enemies straight at the ground, um, or even just slightly looking down, I always found that to be harder than looking up. So don't know why. Like trying to get it to go down really quick was difficult. So I wanted to fix that here. Looking up and down should be as equally quick. I want like freedom of looking instead of like freedom of movement. I mean that's important too, but that's just an example. Uh, Shit. Uh, no, stop, son of a bitch. I don't know what this was. 0.8, 6.5, 2, 1, 5. That's weird how that rotates. 0.8. I think I could do 0.6 and then raise this to 0.8. No, 0.6. Yeah. Center on activate. Yeah, it'll clamp to the edges of the dead zone. Let's try it. Give that a shot. I just want to stop the spinning, and I don't really want to mess with the code because it's so simple, and I love it. Oh my god, I made it worse. How did I make it worse? Yeah, I can see what the problem is. When I look straight up, it's not really straight up. The camera is at an angle. When I look forward, where's the top ring? It's like I don't even have one. Where the hell did it go? I noticed there's only 2 rings here. What the shit? There should be 3, not 2. Oh, it's a 0 radius. What if I do like 0.5? Okay. That might be the problem. That also might mess it up as well. Yeah, it didn't seem like it did too much. Yeah, I think I need to make that bigger. We'll do 25. Just see if that fixes it. What I did to the dead zone was probably not even necessary. If that fixed it. This angle looks kind of more stylized anyways. See if that does anything. Yeah, I didn't. Well, actually, kind of did, actually. Holy shit. No, yeah, kind of fixed it. It just whips around really fast. Goes straight from behind. But why? It's because the dead zone? Or is it because the location? I'm not sure what's causing it to do that 360 no scope. Could be I moved the orb when I didn't need to. God dang it! Kill me. So now that the orb is off now because I didn't need to change it. I just need to change the radius. Damn Cinemachine and your weird Cinemachine shit. What? After an hour, I'm doing work. How long has this been? 40 minutes. Yeah, I'm hungry, so in an hour I'm gonna order pizza, and then when it gets here, I'm gonna end the stream. But making progress. I didn't think I was gonna get anywhere because that's usually how it works. Every time I make progress, it's like I hit a brick road, brick wall, and I gotta take it down, and then I make progress. But I will say I'm making more progress on this than I did with art. Art was really difficult. That was just a never-ending grind. I still have a lot to learn on that. I think that the key is to make learning art comfortable. You got to find what makes you comfortable when you go to perform the art, whatever it is, and you also need to take into account your limitations as an artist, what your skill level, and what you're trying to do. and learning from that. Because a lot of times I just wouldn't do it because I knew what I needed to do, but I couldn't do it. It was just a never-ending cycle, a vicious cycle. Um, Also, references are extremely important. Oh my God, that makes things so much easier when you have a reference. Yeah, if you're low skill, it's hard to draw from mind. Recommend references. Makes it so much easier. You use enough references, eventually you could just draw it at will. Fuck, where's the orb? This whole time I'm like trying to find it, but I can just click the damn thing. So I need this to be in the exact center of the camera, and that should prevent it from looping around. Because I had that right. That was correct. Having it at the origin. I don't know why I thought that was the problem, because that was the solution. And that's like how this whole system worked in the first place. When it pretty much right dead center. Looks pretty good. Right there. Well, it doesn't have to be dead center, but it helps. Because the character, let's say this character threw a fireball. The point of origin is going to be the character's hand, not the camera. Much like Dark Souls. Um, at least that's what it looked like to me. The fireballs came out of the hand, not the camera. Um, yeah, we'll try that. See what happens. I just needed to stop doing a 360. I want it to look down and remain forward unless you turn around. Let's looking up. Good. I'm scared. I don't want to look down. I'm scared. Oh my god. It works. Oh my god, it's just a tweak. I just needed to change the tweak. So the code was fine. It was just my code was fighting the camera since it relied on the center of the reference point. Ah, oh, this is so awesome. Oh my god. It works so well. Only downside is like the characters are a little janked up a little bit. Not sure why. Ah, what was that? I hope that was just lag, because that's concerning. Why is there so much glitchy lagginess? It's a little jittery. I don't like that. Could normalize it. Maybe that'll help. Yeah, we'll try that. Um, go to not that, that. Nope. No, I already had it open. I'm an idiot. Wait, I need this because of script reference. All right, I can. All right, there we go. I like that. Ah, significant images. Can't normalize that. I could make it a normalized vector, but that sounds horrible. What does normalized do? I'm gonna look at some quaternions real quick just to get an idea. We'll try it. So quaternion. I'll just call it smooth rotate equals copy that. New. Yes. Thank you. Paste. Damn it. Damn you with the double parentheses. Did that work? How do you do this? Dot Euler angles? I don't know how to do this. Huh. Maybe I can just, because I only need this. Can I just like just do that? Be done with this. Damn. Dot Euler angles. Can I do that? Not. Really, it's not. Well, is it lowercase or should I just do Euler? Dot. All right, I don't know what I'm doing. This is the part of Unity that's takes the most time to learn. Is like the property like quaternion. When you hit dot, it accesses a property of that class. So like, for example, and this works for everything, components including, because like the eyes marker that I made that's inside the player, I can access its transform, its property, by hitting dot. And I can access all of its properties by hitting dot, uh, which could be a component of a class or a game object. See, like compare tag. Uh, I can get a component off of it. Um, like its render, its box, its material has a blue material on there. I could get that. Um, there's not much on this object, so we're just gonna get the position, which is right here. We can also get its name. See that? It took me a long time to learn what the dot did. I was so confused. Um, Parentheses usually means it wants data, usually a like basic data, like a float, int, string, something like that. Although string has to be in quotes, don't lie. I guess to separate it from variable names, so I can distinguish it from variable names. So yeah, I don't know what property I need, so I gotta find some properties for the quaternion angle. Let's go to constructors. No, this looks helpful. lowercase e. I need a vector 3. God, it's confusing. So we take the rotational vector, which is confusing because vector 3 is usually not rotational. But it's still a number. Like, even the rotations have a number that fits in a Y, X, or Z box. So that makes sense. I need to remember that. Vector is synonymous with all movement, including rotations. I would have saved me some time. So, shit. So we'll leave that there, and we'll go new. We'll just do vector 3. Get rotation equal. Damn. No, that's right. New vector 3, and then put the little thingy with the other thingy. And I'm doing this the wrong way because now it's slower. Just take this, copy it, that, and then take the quaternion and call it smooth rotate and equal get rotation dot normalized. No, just get rotation. Or is it the other way around? Damn it! Did I do it backwards? Current rotation dot Euler angles. Shit. So I gotta go. Okay, so one extra step I have to add after I make it. I gotta go smooth rotate Euler angles. This is what makes it compatible with vector 3s. And then paste in get rotation. And why are you still complaining? Use of unassigned. It's not. Well, it is now, you fucking jerk monster. I can't do here Euler angles here. I guess because it's a whiny little bitch, I had to do it up here. So obtuse. Why do I gotta do it up here? I could have just did it down there. You bitch. See what I mean? Literally the same difference. I don't know what the difference is between putting it up here and down there when it's the same code. Smooth. Rotate. So now I can access Euler angles for some fucking reason. Equal rotation. Why? It's the same thing. God, it's so stupid. When in doubt, put your shit up here. Just don't even make local variables. Local variables suck. Because you always run into that problem where it doesn't work because it's a local variable. God, I hate local variables. So yeah, my recommendation is for vectors. Vectors seem to be okay as local. Quaternion, not so much. Quaternion does not like being local. Either that or I fucked up something. Or maybe I wrote it wrong. I don't know. Anyways, now we'll take this and we'll put smooth. No. Smooth. Stop! Smooth. Rotate dot normalized. All of that just so I could normalize it, but it doesn't look like it wants it. Not converting unity quantity to float. You're afloat. Well, maybe I could just cheat and get rid of that and do get rotation dot y dot normalize. Get rotation dot normalize. Son of a bitch. Well, maybe I could do it here. Okay. What? I'm streaming! What do you want? I'm streaming! I'm streaming! When it gets here. I haven't ordered it yet. I'm streaming! Holy crap. Well, that worked earlier. What happened? Maybe there's a delay. Jesus fucking Christ. I'm gonna kill those kids. They're fucking screaming out there and freaking me out. Alright, let me see what time it is. 5:56. 4 more minutes. Fuck, how do I normalize this shit? Is it because I normalized it? It doesn't like it anymore? Rotate. You're not quaternion to float. Is it because this is a quaternion down here? I need just a float. Well, wouldn't the vector be a float? Why can't I normalize it? Can I just do this? Is that legal? Oh my god, kill me! How do you normalize a float? Can you not normalize a float? Son of a bitch. Norm. I don't even know that works. I hate you. Get rotation. Dot y. Does that work? Rotation. Can I normalize it? Dot y. Oh my fucking gosh. That is so fucking annoying. Is that like I can just do that? That works. I don't even know that works. Is that? Can I just pop that up like that? Yeah, it's right there. I guess that works. We'll try it. I don't think that's gonna work. Like actually work. I mean, it let me type it, but I don't know. That's fix it. I actually don't even know what normalize does. I just kind of it makes like the input is like on off. I guess it makes it smoother. I don't know. We'll see. I gotta get rid of that jittering somehow. This is like the opposite problem. The character's jiggling instead of the camera. So like it doesn't hurt my eyes because the camera isn't moving. But this time the character model's oh. Oh no, it's still jiggling. I'd say not as bad as it was earlier. Or I'm just crazy, I don't know. It's still pretty annoying. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. If I had this rudimentary graphics, which I don't know if that's part of the problem or not. And there's like no animation either. An animation would probably look a little better. Looks fine. Could be optical illusion. When I look up, it's smooth as butter. Well, a little bit. There's a little bit of a jiggle. It's really bad when you look down. Maybe it's just an optical illusion. It's not as bad as what it was, at least I think. Whenever you do this, it jiggles like crazy. And it makes me want to turn a video game on and see if other games do that. That scythe is just jiggling like crazy. I don't even know how. It's not a physics object. I have no clue why that's jiggling. As far as I know, it's not physics. It wasn't earlier. Yeah, it's part of the object. It has to be optical illusion because the model, the pill doesn't jiggle. I'm gonna turn this off and just see if the orbs jiggle, all the markers. Maybe I'm just crazy. Where'd the orbs go? What the shit? I turned this off. Ow. Mesh render. There's the old character thing. It makes me sad that that doesn't work. All that stuff. I mean, I learned a lot, but man, I did my first animation. It was beautiful. Why? Maybe I put it on here. I'm just gonna turn both of these off. Maybe that's the problem. I feel like it should be the basic rendering. Why do they keep disappearing? I turned the script off. What the fuck is going on? I turned it off. Am I a dummy dickhead? There's something here that's doing that. There's literally nothing else here. Ha! What the fuck? I'm so confused right now. Ow. Maybe it's a setting. Maybe I somehow there's like a built-in setting or game. Because Game Marker is my tag. I made that, which wasn't hard. It was just I just made a tag. It's just text. Just wanted to clarify. It's not. It's just literally just text. You just new add tag, type in text. It's just a reference label. I think maybe in the settings somewhere, maybe you can like. Apparently, the script has nothing to do with it. I thought I had a script, but now I feel crazy. Maybe the script run. It doesn't need to be attached. I didn't really think about that. Just having it in a folder somewhere, maybe it runs it. That's crazy if that's the case. Oh, stop. I'll just turn that back on because I'm making them untagged, so they'll show up anyways. Untag, which is annoying, but we're just gonna do it. Yeah, let's see. Any jiggles? That's a lot of jiggles. Those are some Jigglypuffs. Could be a camera setting. Depending on where the angle I'm looking, it's less jiggly. Real jiggly there. That makes no sense. Actually, the player. Is that an optical illusion or the player looks jiggly too? Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Looks nice from a distance. I'm gonna get closer in scene view because it could be a perspective thing. Looks smooth as butter on the scene view. What the fuck? Look at that. That's complete. Hang on. I guess I'm just crazy. Yeah, at least this game is making me feel that way. Yeah, it's the camera. Camera's making it. It's like an optical illusion. It's smooth as butter in the game view. Look at that. Whee! No jiggle at all. Or the engine. Something's fucked up. It's not my code. Because look at that. It's smooth as butter. I'll have to look. I'll just type in Cinemachine character jiggle. Because clearly that's the problem. I gotta order a pizza. I'm hungry. Also, I gotta put these markers back real quick because I'll forget. Um, game marker. Game marker. Game marker. This has been an hour and 7 minutes. All right, pizza time, pizza time, pizza time. I don't know. Usually these. How long do I stream this shit for normally? I might just end it. Yeah, 119 was the last stream. Yeah, I'll just end it. I'm kind of dumb, and I'm scared I might say a credit card number out loud because I'm dumb. So I'm just gonna end it instead. Let's see, how do I end this? Do I just press the button? I guess I just press the button. Well, I guess that's it, y'all. Hopefully I can figure out what the setting is for this thing. And then after that, I could do the fun stuff, which is getting this camera working with the controller, so I can move and look at the same time. And once that's done, I can go back to the crouch, re-implement the crouch, re-implement the jump, re-implement the attack. Literally, once all that's done, which isn't much really, because I already did all that, and it worked. It's just the camera was being a bitch. I can actually start making the fucking game because I already did UI and that wasn't too bad. I'll probably just make like a single player game called Super Pill Guy or something stupid, put it on Steam for free, and then what I learned from that, I'll make it like my actual game because I have art assets that I'm working on. If anybody's, I mean, they're free and available. It's for my video game. You can download it. They're not textured. They will be eventually. But yeah, it's for many different things. I use it for TTRPGs and like tabletop simulator and stuff. But you can use it for anything you want. I'm gonna use it for my video game as well. And I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye.